Listo. Hello, my name is Maria Urrego. I am a student in the University of the National Distancing. I am a student and registered in technology and in pharmacy. I have two children, 1 years, 1 boys. Girls uh, 11 years old and boys 8 years old. I'm married. My husband is 39 years old. This is my family. This is my family. Usually, did I get you at 4 a.m. 4:30 a.m. To make breakfast and lunch. I take my children to the school and I go to work. I usually prepared fried rice, soup, salads. I have pharmacy and I work on it. At lunchtime, pick up my children and we would home to the hub and lunch. My work hours is are from 7 a.m. To 1 p.m. and return at 2 p.m. and I close 9 p.m. I have pharmacy and I work on it. I my time fried. I like watch movies and ATC screen. I like reading. My project is to expand my business, employment, um, and share time with my family. I had the cat squares of my life. I like music, rock, and pop. I don't have gone to concert. I'm from Palmira, and the typical food in my city is sancocho and the every Sunday. I have few friends um, that will be all time you.